I hope you're sitting down, ladies and gentlemen. It's 8:17 a.m. I literally just got done doing one, and I started looking at this a little bit deeper on ISWA, and I'm not sure what's going on here, folks. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we know that we've got our nice, oh, this is an overlay, by the way. We got 211, 193, and 171. But watch this. We know that we've got our flare here, and we know that we had this little bugger kind of react from it, right? I'm going to go real slow so you can see that. You see the reaction along the surface of the sun, and then we see this one reacting, right? Now watch the time on that. Right around 9 a.m., right around 9 a.m., right? So we're going to see about, we'll say 8. It just kind of erupts a little bit, kind of throws some, a little bit in there, and then we see a little bit of action up here. Okay, just kind of moving things along. Look at this. Did you see this twitch? See that twitch? There's reaction going on along the surface of the sun. Okay, so now this is also reacting kind of currently, actually. Just kind of moving along, just like, yes, something's going on. I was looking at that and I'm like, what is causing that to flicker like that? And then I come over here. Watch this. This is actually pretty nuts here. Let me move this guy over here. It's kind of annoying me. Alright. We're at 5 a.m. We're going to watch our initial pop. Oh, how you doing, friend? This was the one first thing. See, 6:23 this morning. Okay? Watch this. So that was the nice big M flare, right? Oh, look. Looks like we got a military formation. Attack formation. So that was the first one, right? It was like, okay, that's a decent M flare, right? But what is that? Like right around, remember, 8, 9 o'clock? Yeah, the second one. What is that? What is that? What is this round? What is this? That looks round. So does that, and so does that. That's just kind of my observation. I don't know. Ooh. What is this large beast here? I don't know. Another little friend here. We got friends all over. Oh, look. There's a little wedge. How you doing, buddy? Oh, it looks like a heart. I love you. I love you, buddy. Oh, what is this? Is this another formation of some sort? Wonder what's going on over there. It's hard saying. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that to everybody's attention. And it wasn't just on stereo head chronograph 2. If we come over here to chronograph 2 running the difference, we've got it over here. Ooh, I hate it when it does that. We've got it on this one too. Watch. There's the first one. And at first I thought it was like an echo or something. I'm like, what is that? But it wasn't. It's a complete separate pop. Because, you know, we've got our little friend here. Completely separate explosion. There's a little heart-shaped guy giving us a little heart. Love you! And same thing here. So a lot of it was a secondary explosion that did not register at all. Well, why not? Why didn't it register? Why didn't we see it? You know, why didn't it show up here? Maybe because it wasn't necessarily a flare, but it was just a coronal mass ejection. Now this one here is our science data, and it only goes up to like the 17th. However, I've been kind of waiting for it to catch up, so we'll actually zoom in and have a little fun with this one here. Now for those of you who are new, I've actually already been out here kind of playing around a bit, and I'm going to show you a few things. This right here is our space station. That's right, like Deep Space Nine, Star Trek, a space station. And I'm going to show you something. We actually had a pop go off. Now here's one that, oh, look at that. Nice and perfectly round, like, you know, Nemesis or Nibiru, some people call it, but it's actually would be Nemesis, but right? But wait a minute. What's this one coming out right behind it? Oh, look at this. Battle formation here too. So what is this thing? Perfectly round? Wow. Almost like a Stargate, some sort. I don't know, but that's two large round objects. Look like they'd be like Nemesis or Nibiru, right? Now, what I want to focus in on is this guy here, our little space station, our crescent moon-shaped space station. Notice how it's starting to get a little blast of radiation? But look how it goes around. You see that? And then all of a sudden, it's like the shield's pushed back against the plasma. Look at that. See that? Like, sorry, can't affect me. We got magnets. Magnetic shield. Pretty crazy, ain't it, folks? You see that? Here you go. It's like, okay, it's gonna, nope. And you can clearly see it cutting on each side, and then the magnetic shield just really pushes back and literally pushes back. Just like that. And it goes around. Pretty cool, huh? Now from the 17th, now that we finally got some ketchup, it looks like it was just a regular old pop on the 17th. And that's about as far as it goes. It is always a couple of days behind, which is annoying. But that's alright. You guys stay safe out there, folks. Eyes open, eyes to the sky, and remember, love is the only way forward.